Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, but if you're not, all you need is a little faith and everything will be okay in the end. But today we're going to be doing a what is in my pencil pouch slash cleaning out my pencil pouch because I can't close this pencil pouch anymore and I really wanted to clean it out. And also I'm going to show you guys a couple of things that I bought from Daiso, and I bought these little plastic bags so I could shipped my stickers in. They're just plastic bags. It's a pack of 40 for $1.50. So I got 2 of those, so 80 for $3. That's pretty good, I think. I also got these notebooks. They're like brown craft notebooks. I'm always at Daiso. I look for like brown craft paper so I can put in my bullet journal. But they come in like different styles. So there's this grid one, and then there's like this dotted line one, and then there's just this line one. So these are really good. The paper is pretty thin, but like it's good enough. And I got 2, and I might use these to also like write some stuff in my packaging for my stickers and use this for something. And then I also bought this paper cutter from Daiso as well to cut sticker paper, and this one's pretty good. It also comes out with like there's a pull-out ruler at the bottom, which is really cool too. So this has been useful these past couple of days as I have been cutting some stickers. And then I went to TJ Maxx and they were selling moleskin notebooks in their stationery section. So there was a pack of 6 for $16, and I definitely don't need these, but they're really pretty and I will get use out of them one day. But these were such a steal. I love them. I also got a pencil. I got a pencil. I'm really excited for that to come in the mail because I've been using the same pencil since like 10th or 11th grade. So I thought it was about time to get a new pencil. So that's what's coming in the mail, and this is what it looks like. I know this is a bullet journal channel and not like a fashion channel, but I just wanted to show you guys this really cute dress that I got. It's white. I got it for $13 at Marshall's, and I love it. It's like the most beautiful and like graceful dress and very flowy, and it's in my favorite color, as you can see by my furniture, my camera, my printer, and yeah. So now we're going to dive into my pencil pouch because it is about to explode on everybody. So first, my pencil pouch, I got, where did I get this? I don't know how much I got it for either. It was a while ago. First, I have my Winnie the Pooh pen that my friend Lonnie got me, and I really love this pen. It's a nice simple pen, but the tip is very tiny. I'm gonna put that in the keep pile because I do use that quite often. And then I have these fabric scissors, and then I have a bunch of mild liners that I keep in here for when I do my bullet journal spreads. I don't know why I have so many. Usually I only have a couple with like the color theme that I have for my bullet journal that week. I might take some of these out. But what if I need one of them? So I'm just gonna put this in like the maybe pile. Then I have my corner cutter that I've also been using to cut some stickers. I have my X-Acto knife, also have been using to cut stickers, so I'll keep that. I have these Pentel pens. They're the RSVP. I love these pens. So I have these in a bunch of colors. I'm gonna take these out because I rarely even use these. I usually use them when I'm in school because they're just nice and easy to work with. But since I'm not in school right now, I should take them out to have some more real estate in my pencil pouch. They don't need to be living in my pencil pouch right now. And come back and rent some space when school starts. I have this pencil, which I don't need. And then I have my Lowell Cornell. I'm going to keep these because I use these every week for my bullet journal spreads. They come in 4 different sizes. It's a different type of texture for a fine liner. It doesn't feel like the other ones. It feels a little more like coarse and not smooth. It's really different than my Tombow mono drawing pens. And these ones, the mono drawing pens, keep pile. I have some chapstick because it's good to have chapstick. I have my white jelly rolls. I got these from Michael's with the coupon. These also come in 3 different sizes. Keeping those as well for watercoloring. So I have one of these. Do I need this in here? No, probably not. I'll put that in the book. I have my Micron plastic nib pens in an assortment of colors. My writing always looks immaculate when I write with these, so I'm going to keep those in there. Eraser. It's a erasers. I have my whiteout pen from Daiso. I'm going to keep that because that comes in handy quite a lot. I have another chapstick. Probably don't need this in there, so I'll take that out. I have lots of black pens, a lot of black pens. pens. I have my Pilot pen. I usually use 0.5 or 0.38, but sometimes if I need a thicker gel pen, I will use this one. So I'm going to keep that. I don't use it that much, but I'm going to keep it in there. And then I also have my Pilot 0.38. And if I don't feel like using my Muji, I will use this one because it kind of just depends on what I'm feeling. Also the Pentel RSVP, but in the fine tip. And this one is so nice, and these are also very cheap, so you won't feel bad for going through it, for using it for like scratch work or practicing problems, because that's what I use this one for. Because sometimes I don't really like using pencil when I'm doing scratch work or when I'm practicing problems, because then I get a little bored. But if I'm using pen, it's a lot more fun to do those problems. So this is the pen I use for that. Definitely top 3 pen that I to me on a deserted island. So yes. You can find these on Amazon as well if you're looking for a nice cheap pen. I'm almost to the bottom. Why do I have these? There's only 2. Fudenosuke pens. I don't know why they're in here. They're the brush pens. I have like the pack of all the colors, but I have 2 random ones in here that I don't know why. But I don't need those in here because I don't use them that often. 2 pencils. I found this one on the ground. It's nice and pink. I don't know what brand this is, but I rarely use this. This is like in case of emergencies. Since we are not in school, I'm going to take these out because nobody needs to be borrowing any pencil because I have no classmates. 2 black Fudenosuke brush pens, a soft and hard tip, a Sharpie pen in here, which is also a very essential piece in my pencil pouch. Some scissors from Daiso. These are really cute, and these ones are perfect for having in your pencil pouch. And then I have this brush marker, and it's way different than the Fudenosuke brush pens. Like the tips are just a lot different. The one from Daiso is just a lot fatter. The pencil I have been using since like 10th or 11th grade. This isn't even mine. Vincent gave it to me, but the person who gave it to Vincent was our friend Angela. So this is actually Angela's pencil, and I've been using it for the longest time, since whenever she gave it to him, and he gave it to me because he got a new pencil. So yes, I am upgrading my pencil and I'm really excited. And then lastly, I have 0.5 lead in my pencil pouch. So here is the final product. I'm happy that I can close this. I forgot to give a little pencil pouch tour, but this comes with like little pockets right there. And there's also like this mesh right there that I've usually put my lead in, and there's also this right here. The cool thing about this pencil pouch is you can open it from the side, so let me do that. But I rarely use this pocket because it's easier to use that one. So, but that's a cool little feature that this pencil pouch has. So that was my what's in my pencil pouch video, and I really hope this video was not boring, because to some people it might be boring, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as I like watching these types of videos. And if you guys did like the video, please like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on your post notifications. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!